Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to record yourself on Adobe Express. To record yourself on Adobe Express, first of all, open up the Adobe Express application on your mobile device or your computer. Make sure that you are logged into your Adobe account as well. Once you are logged in, from the top menu from the home page, click on the video option. Now click on Start from your video at the top left and click on Take Video in the pop-up. You will then be able to see the camera pop-up on your screen. Go ahead and tap on the red record button and start recording your video. If you want to record yourself, make sure to turn the camera up front and simply record your video. After your recording is finished, tap on the Stop button. Now click on Use Video at the bottom right, and then you will be able to import the video that you've just recorded. You can now go ahead and edit your recorded video, add effects, increase or decrease volume of your recorded clip, add transitions and other elements to enhance your video. After you are done with the editing as well, preview the video by tapping the play button on the top. Finally, after you are satisfied with your video, you can share it directly from Adobe Express to your social media channels, websites, or any other platform you prefer. That is how you record yourself on Adobe Express. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.